everyone, welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the stitchery on the other side in the cozy corner where we unbox yarn apparently. And this is my co-host, Seahorse Ariel. She is not my pattern, but she is by, I don't want to get the name wrong, I will put it on the screen. And she is part of the Princess Mini Horse Collection pattern collection. I'm sorry, I forget the name. She is part of that collection, and she's supposed to be a whole lot smaller, but I made her out of burnout blanket yarn. So since every horse is a princess, in the set they decided to make, because Ariel is a mermaid, they made her a seahorse, which I thought was clever. So I made her. The only thing that I changed was her eyes are the false French knot. You absolutely can do it out of big fluffy yarn. Some of you were wondering that. Yep, you can. If you need a tutorial for the false French knot, I will link it down below. I will also link this pattern pack down below on her Etsy shop. So I highly recommend her patterns. I've done a few of them and they're pretty simple. So you can get them for a really good price. Anyway, she is my co-host today. Co-host for what, you say? Oh, well, I bought a lot of yarn at different times for different projects that I haven't started on yet. Well, that's not true. One of them I have. But it piles up in my house because I went, oh, well, I'll do an unboxing when it gets here. And then I remembered I'm a spoonie and I have this much energy, and no, I don't want to do that. I'll do it later. So it's been piling up. It's not a very big haul. It's just a lot of random places. I've got Premier Yarns, I've got Hirschner's, I've got Walmart, I've got Joann's, I've got Amazon. Is that everybody? Yes. So please tag along with us while I just open a bunch of yarn and one non-yarn related thing. And let's start with that. I pre-ordered the Friends crochet book. It showed up on the day she released her book, and I love it. I absolutely will be doing a flip through with this book. This is definitely going to be a flip through, and there are a whole lot of patterns I had no idea were in here. All the pictures I found online and stuff didn't even show me half the patterns that were in this book. So I'm gonna make a video on this very soon, but feel free to applaud. 4 claps if you like. Huh? Yeah. So I am not a Mega Friends fan. It's true. I do have the Friends crochet kit. That's also true. I do like the show. I do plan on owning the series one day. Like DVD. Yeah, I still buy DVDs, box set stuff, okay? But, you know, when there's no internet, I can still watch them. Just saying. I think it's a great show. I think it's fun, but it's not one of my favorites. However, I have friends who are absolutely obsessed with it, and they love anything Friends, and so I make them Friends related stuff, and this book was just another opportunity for, 1, me to own another crochet book, and 2, make fun stuff that I know they'll enjoy. And there's a couple things in here that I could see just owning, just because. Like, I do really like the turkey mug. That is hilarious. And there's even a couch for your remote control in here. Oh, and of course we can't forget the holiday armadillo. He's in here too. So look for a video on this book very soon. Real quickly, I have a scar on the back of this arm, and I am not afraid. I am not afraid to show my scars. You know what? Scars are just evidence that we lived through something horrific. So if you have a scar, be proud of it. I have a lot of scars, but the one on the back of my arm is one that causes me the most problems. But my skin has always been sensitive to the sun. And for some reason, whenever the sun just barely hits that part of my arm, it feels like someone lit a match and then stuck it on my skin. Every time, without fail. I've been looking and looking through patterns of wearables that like I could wear that are not heavy and are not cumbersome to deal with, but I also don't want to wear a jacket. and I bought some boleros, and that's fine, but most of them are too short because it's high up on my arm, but it's also low up on my arm because it's a scar that's like that big. And they just don't sit in the right place, or it's too lacy and so the sun can still get through it. It's a whole thing. So I'm working on designing something specifically for me, for my scar, that I can just wear with a bunch of outfits in the summer and protect my arm, basically. The yarn I bought, because I thought it was kind of cute and kind of fun, was the Sassy Sprinkles Department 71, which looks a whole lot like a Michael's yarn, which I don't know the name of, but I mean, you tell me if you recognize the colorways here. Doesn't that look like something Michael sold a while back? Okay, so the colors we have are, this is from Hirschner's, by the way, just so you know. So this is Sea Crystal. Very pretty. This is Fly Away. This is Lily Pad. Oh, it does look like a lily pad with little flowers on it. It's pretty. This one is Purple Pizzazz. This one is Pretty Pearl, and it does have a bit of a pearly sheen to it. So, yeah. Then we have this pink one. This is Brink Pink. So this is Taffy. Not every ball is in the best shape. And last but not least, we have Coral Crush. So that was my Hirschner's haul. Now I have like several of the same color for, you know, because I'm making a wearable, so. So now we have Walmart and Joann's, and the reason I'm just putting them all together is because there's only 4 items total. So this, my Walmart, I got the Bernat Blanket Brights, and I got 2 of them in this green color, Go-Go Green. Anyway, I got all of this for a specific project. This one is Bernat Baby Blanket Sparkle, and it is in the color Seaside Sparkle. You can see the shimmer, I hope. I also got Freesia Sparkle. So, that's what I got from Walmart and Joann's. Now, Premier, I got a box. So, first of all, I got 2 of the Premier Basics Mosaic in the color Sea. Sea as in S-E-A, ocean. Got 2 of these, specific project. I'm gonna tell you all of the specs behind these if you want to get these. So this is a worsted weight yarn, and it is 216 yards, 100% acrylic. They even have the cool thing on how you can release the yarn, outward pull or inward pull, which is pretty cool. I got 2 of those. Every Bernat Blanket yarn is the same. It is a 6-weight polyester yarn, and the yardage is always 220. Pretty sure that's true even with the sparkle. Well, the sparkle also has the metallic thread woven inside it, but I'm pretty sure it's still, yep, 220 polyester. So. Okay, I also got the Premier Basics Chenille. And I gotta tell you guys, this is soft. But this is softer. But here's the interesting about the Premier Basics Chenille. It's also 220 yards. And it too is 100% polyester. That's basically the same yarn. It really is. So I got this yarn to work with this yarn, not specifically this color, but I got it to work with my other burnout blanket yarns. And it's fascinating to me that this softer, plushier yarn, same yardage, same material, it's cheaper by a lot. These are now going between $11 and $14. That is what these go for now. This one was $8. Same yardage, same material, fiber, sorry, and same size. Interesting. Okay, so I also got it in blue and a couple other colors. This is the color True Blue. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't tell you the color of this one. This one is mustard, so True Blue and mustard. Very pretty. Yes, it's really soft. Okay. That's that. And then I also got it in teal blue. And then I got 2 of these in cherry. So these colors, I also got this Parfait Chunky. I know so many people get this yarn and I've never played with it, so I got one in a color I needed, in a color I didn't have to mix with this yarn, so it's okay that it's thinner. It's still a 6, but I don't know. That might be too thin to like actually mix with this yarn. But I felt I could use it on top of it for something. So it's really soft. It's 131 yards, 100% polyester. This is the color Eggplant. So, all of those yarns I just showed you, they're not for just one project, but they are for the same kind of project. They are all for Broadway bears. If you would like to leave your guesses down below, what Broadway show, what character you think all that yarn would work with, let me know. I already know, but you let me know your guesses because I love when you guys guess. So that was my haul. Don't forget, look for this video very soon. Well, thank you guys for watching my weird mishmash of stuff. Please remember to turn on your notification bells. I don't stick to a schedule, so if you don't turn those on, you may miss a video. And it might be one you really want to see. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the Yarn Zebra family. I would love for you all to come back. Thank you all for watching. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too.